Standard 9, Subject Geography, Chapter 3, Exogenetic Process, Part 1. Dear children, in this part of the video of this chapter, we are going to study about chemical weathering and biological weathering. Chemical weathering. Water plays an important role in chemical weathering. Rock in a mixture of many minerals, water is a universal solvent. Many things get dissolved easily in water. The solubility increases because of matter has dissolved in water, and those materials which do not dissolve easily in water get dissolved in such solution in areas that receive heavy rainfall. Chemical weathering occurs in the following way. Carbonization. The rainwater travels through the atmosphere before reaching the ground. Carbon dioxide in the air gets mixed in the water in this process. Dilute carbonic acid gets formed. Materials like limestone gets easily dissolved in such acids. Solution. Some minerals in the rock get dissolved in water. Limestone is formed due to chemical precipitation between water and alkalis. Oxidation. This process occurs in rocks which have iron present in them. The iron in the rock comes in contact with water and chemical reaction takes place between iron and oxygen. Hence, a reddish colored layer forms on the rocks. This is called rust. Biological weathering. Beside mechanical and chemical weathering, biological factors are also responsible for weathering of rocks. You must have seen on forts and old walls that trees or small plants growing on them. Because of the roots of these trees grow bigger, they create tension in the rocks and start breaking them. Ants make large ant hills, rats, mice, rabbits and other worms and insects make burrows in the ground. These animals are called burrowing animals. Because of their activity, weathering of rocks occurs beside these. Algae, moss, lichens, other flora etc. grow in the rocks. They also help in weathering. Mass movements. The withered rock materials start moving along the slopes due to gravity and accumulate near the foothills or the gentler slopes. This process has been happening for years. The withered particles form a conical heap at that foothills. When withered particles move down due to gravity alone, the process is called mass movement. Mass movements occur in two ways. It is rapid on steeper slopes while it is slower on gentle slopes. Rapid mass movements. Rock falls, landslides, land subsidence occur rapidly. Their effects are very destructive. The probability of these events is more in the regions having humid climates and steeper slopes. A thick layer of withered material forms on the slope. When it rains in such areas, the rainwater penetrates the withered materials and their weight increases. The withered materials move very rapidly and come down the slope. Sometimes the withered materials do not move downward but sink in situ. This is called slumping. Such rapid mass movement may also occur because of earthquakes. Slower mass movement. In areas with dry climates and gentler slope, mass movements occur slowly. Soil creep is a common phenomenon in such areas. In periglacial regions along The slopes small layers of soil accumulate because of the movement of soil. This is called solifluction. Erosion. Like withering, the mass movements, erosion is also an external process. Erosion occurs through various agents: wind, running water, glaciers, sea water and groundwater cause erosion. Thank you.